Oh my god, guys, look at that.
Look at this.
I don't know what happened. I just woke up and it's like swollen.
It looked like somebody punched her in the eye.
It feels like somebody punched me in my eye. It's like it was hurting me yesterday, and then this one was itching me. I don't know if it was my contacts, but
look, see how normal that one is, and look at this one.
It's like right here.
Yo, it's crazy how it looks swollen.
Yeah, it hurts too. It's like all around it. It hurts.
We're gonna have to go to the pharmacy, but we're gonna do 2 birds with 1 stone, which is basically we're gonna go to Target because we're gonna try to take our mind off it. Well, Danielle's trying to take our mind off it. Yeah, she needs something sweet for the kids.
Guys, I'm not even gonna wear any makeup or anything because I don't want to irritate it. So I'm just.
I think it's what happened. You know, when I get dirty.
It's the contacts.
The contacts that she had on yesterday probably was dirty. That happened to me the other day, and I had to get clear eyes.
Yeah, but your own didn't last all day.
Yeah, it did. It lasted me like 2 days, but nobody even see.
I'm hoping it doesn't turn into like one of those little cysts because I've gotten those 2 times.
It's the worst thing
mine
ever.
got like really hard, and the 2 times I got it, I had to cut them off.
Yeah,
so I'm hoping.
Those things are like the worst to get, guys. Like I remember getting one. It was bad. Like it was bad. Like it was like this to my eye.
Yeah, but I've never seen it like under my eye, so I just think last night.
And another thing with that thing is because you think about it so much, and now it starts to feel like itchy, like you want to scratch it, you want to rub it.
And this one was itching me last night too, so I really think it's my contacts.
Yeah, it could be the contacts.
So we're gonna go to Target. I need to see if I can find like eye drops because I have the clear eyes, but that's for like itching and stuff like that, and I don't think it's that. So I'm gonna just look for like a drop to put in my eye. Yeah, and then probably pick up a few more stuff that we have to get, but. Womp womp womp.
Yeah, so basically that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, we're gonna try to see if we can fix it to our own cure. We're gonna see if we can find our own cure before we go to doctor. You guys are probably saying, "Uno go to doctor."
Well, I'm supposed to go to the doctor tomorrow to do my thyroid checkup, and if it's still there, I guess I'm just gonna have to ask him about this too.
Yeah.
I'm like falling apart.
Yeah, I mean, when you get older, you get to them. It's more you fall apart. Like literally, the things that you used to could do when you're younger.
Oh my god.
You can't do it now.
Guys,
like I remember I used to could party and wake up early right after. Like I could wake up 1 hour after, guys.
Yeah.
Like 1 hour after and just be fine for the day. Those things and those days are over. Okay?
Guys, and you know what? It's like when one thing happens, then it's like everything happens. Alright guys, so we're gonna take it to Target.
So guys, as you can tell, Chase is not with us right now. He just woke up.
Yeah, he's up. So mommy's gonna get him.
Yeah, he just woke up. Alright, we're gonna take you over there right now. We are here at Target and there's Drew. We haven't seen Drew in a long time. We are in the pharmacy section. Mr. Chase is strapped up. And we are looking for eye drops.
Let's get this for Chasey.
Yeah, which one is that?
It's like multi
Visine. Don't know. Big up to Visine.
It says red, burning, watery, itchy, gritty, dry. So that's everything. So I'm gonna get.
So it cleans up everything, guys. So we were here, and I said I have a brilliant idea. I wanted to buy something for Chase, and I have a reason why I want to buy it. Hopefully they have it. Maybe not. Maybe we have to go to Walmart.
What?
I'll tell you. Come to the toy section with me.
Did you find what you want?
Yes, guys. So I found what I want, and this is what Chase has been watching, guys. This thing right here.
Oh my god.
Street, Elmo.
He loves Elmo.
He loves Elmo, guys. Let me show you Elmo with Chase right now. Oh. Look, Elmo. look at him, guys.
Who's that?
That's Elmo. So guys, there's different versions right here. This one right here, and you have that one right there. Look at him. I've never seen somebody that would love Elmo so much. Like when he sees Elmo on the TV, he has been hooked to it, guys. So last time when we went to the pediatric, he was watching Elmo, guys.
Yeah, she had when he was doing his what do you call it, ultrasound.
Yeah.
They were playing him Elmo, and then I realized like I downloaded YouTube Kids after that because I've been letting him watch regular YouTube like his baby videos.
But YouTube Kids is shot.
But he loves Elmo,
and it has a bunch of Elmo.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Sesame Street.
Sesame Street,
in general.
And so that's what basically you give him to watch. He likes watching Elmo.
And when he
just Elmo alone, guys.
He just sits down and he just tunes in for like a long time.
Yeah, you want Elmo?
Elmo?
Elmo.
You sound like Elmo.
He's shy. Actually came in here for one thing, and what do you think is gonna happen? We are over here in a different section buying something else, but I think we do need this.
I'm just looking for a spoon because he wants to feed himself. But the spoon I got has a metal tip, and he keeps biting.
He puts
on
the metal
part.
tip in his mouth, and which is bad. So we want to get the whole spoon rubber. So him can actually, if I'm going to put it in his mouth, it's rubber in my thing. Which
I think this one.
That one works.
But online, there's one that you can actually put the food in it. So while he's biting on it, it's feeding.
It's food coming out, but I don't see it here though.
No, it's on Amazon.
Oh, boo-hoo.
Boo-hoo, sad
Story. This is Daniel's favorite thing, guys, to give Chase.
Guys,
He loves it. Anyone that you pick from here, guys, any one of these things, he will douse it.
I think I'm gonna give him this butternut.
Butternut?
Guys, look where I found this guy.
Yo, G.I. Joe? Wait till Chase start getting to G.I. Joe. Be a G.I. Joe, my boy.
I know I'm gonna
That's
like G.I. Joe.
Guys. G.I. Joe. Be a G.I. You know how much time to shoot, man. Boy.
Oh yeah, okay. Guys, look at all these toys. Christmas time.
And look.
Like all
Mercedes
these.
Benz.
Chase definitely gonna get one of these.
We're definitely gonna get this when he gets older.
Chase need that for Christmas, guys, to start saving. For the truck. There are like so many different things.
All this too? It's so cool.
Yeah.
We need a backyard for this.
Yeah, it's definitely Christmas time. I'm so excited. Are you excited for Christmas?
Yeah.
I'm ready to decorate this year. I'm gonna decorate a lot.
Excited of buying presents for Chase.
Oh look, Woody.
Why Woody?
Woody, guys.
No, me's never a fan of Lego. I'll tell you why.
Why?
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Them give you a set where you build it your own, right?
Yeah.
$130 feet. And you have to build it. That don't make no sense.
So you want them to build it for you?
I want it just like that.
Oh no, that's not the fun part.
I don't have time for this.
Okay guys, we found another supermarket.
Yeah, we are
Lucky Supermarket.
And I've been craving some almond chocolate. So I actually came here and bought a pound of almond chocolate.
Yeah, look guys.
Look at all this stuff.
You can get anything.
Bunch of stuff.
We found him too.
I'm around. And as you can see, there's a bunch of flavors here. Well, not flavors, different variety.
Variety? Variety?
Variety. See, you have everything that you can think of. Them have black-eyed peas, red beans, anything
like
you want to cook with.
Anything you want, and you can get any pound, any amount.
They have a bar here that you can get beer, and I'm never cool right now. I'll get a beer. I got my beer right here, and Drew got a root beer.
Root beer, I'm not drinking right. I'm taking a break from drinking.
Daniel got a pizza right here, as you can see.
I got a pizza here, on is underneath.
Look, mine is underneath if you can't see. And yo, this shot, by the way, I got a wine that is 10 times better than this, and I'm gonna show you it later tonight. I'm eating this pizza right now, and all I can do is sing. This morning we ate really early.
Yeah, we're starving.
And we're starving, so we had to get little munchies, and we stopped into Lucky, so we had to get some nuts and chocolate, because that's what I was thinking about the whole time. Why for that? As you can see, Chase is having his intermission of food. Look at
these in Target.
Yeah,
this came in handy.
Because you know, when we eat, he must eat too.
He has to be like eating at the exact same time.
Yeah.
Or you're gonna have to give him some of your food.
Yeah, for real. He actually looked like he liked this one. Yeah. Anything with spinach, I think he likes.
He doesn't like I think he likes anything. Except carrots.
Carrots. I don't think he likes carrots, which is crazy because I love carrots. Look. Yum, nice. Enjoying it. We finished our food. As you can see, Chase is eating piece of bread. Yeah, you're eating piece of bread. And then we have Drew here. Just got a refill of some sushi. He had a pizza, and he doused the pizza, and now he said, you know what? He's gonna have some sushi. I'm gonna have some too. Guys, we are finally home, and Danielle is going to put the thing in her eye. It's actually gotten bigger. Look, as you can see, it's gotten bigger over the day. And
I can't open this.
And as you know, she's always gonna lean on me for opening stuff. As you can see, she's trying to bite it and asks me to open it because she thinks she's bigger than what she is.
Yeah, because he acts like I needed to open it. I can open this. Kinda.
25 years later. Alright, we're just gonna wait right here, babe. I mean, if you just wanna go ahead and yeah, still waiting.
Got it.
It doesn't matter, we're still waiting.
Oh, shit, no.
We're still waiting. We're there, wait. Any minute now. Any hour right now.
Got it.
Okay. Here we go. Danny's gonna put it in our eye right now, guys. As you can see, our eyes is getting purulated. It's kind of blurry right there, but anyways. She just
I didn't read the instructions.
Yeah, you just put it in your eye like you know what you're doing.
1 or 2 drops. 4 times.
You should do another drop.
1 more?
Yeah. And do it for your other eye. So it blend in, you know?
Blend what? Oops.
You put too much?
Like 2.
Okay, that's fine though, that's fine. Yeah, eye needs like 5, honestly.
Alright.
Yeah.
Let's hope this works.
Do you feel any burning sensation?
No.
No burning sensation?
No.
No?
No.
Feel alright? Look back here. Yeah, it looks really swollen. Like it got worse today.
It hurts now.
Yeah. I think by the time you fall asleep tonight, make sure you take it again. Was every 4 hours?
Every 4 times a day.
Okay, 4 times a day. So you have to take it at least 1 more time for tonight. Just a little side note here. So you know how we went to the swap shop and go watch a movie and got food? I woke up 2:30 this morning and I was living on the toilet for at least 2 hours. If you don't like me hear me talk about my doodoo, close your ears. I think I was doodooing for the whole 2 hours last night, and up to now I've been doodooing.
You enjoyed that burger, didn't you?
I enjoyed that burger, and that burger was worth it, and I'll doodoo again.
Worth the doodoo?
No, it's not worth the doodoo. I was thinking about like, damn, I should really I got the funnel cake, and me never get the funnel cake. That's all I was thinking in my head.
Funnel cake was a mini doodoo.
Yeah, but still, me not eat no more burger at swap shop.
Burger at swap shop is already a bad idea.
Yeah, and we went to go get that. It didn't bother Danielle, but it bothered me because she barely eat any.
Strong.
You know what it could be? Because you didn't have cheese. I had cheese. That could be what it was. Yes, because Danielle didn't get no cheese on her burger. I got cheese on my burger. Maybe the cheese was spoiled, but right now, guys, me still I feel the pain.
Okay, I woke up in the middle of the night and I never saw him beside me. But then I
She take me gun now a woman house, guys.
I turned around and saw the bathroom lights on, so I knew it was going down. It was going down in the toilet.
Guys, it was really going down, and yeah, I still will go and
yeah, right.
probably not get a burger, but get a funnel cake or something else.
Popcorn was good.
The popcorn was sharp, not gonna lie. Popcorn with extra butter. We never really get extra butter, but the butter was like fresh and on the point.
Yeah.
It tastes good, you know. And alright, so what we are going to do, we're actually gonna go pick up some oxtail. Mommy cook some oxtail. You know how my mother cook for us on Sundays. And yeah.
I'm packing up all her containers because she can cuss me.
Look at the containers. We have to put it in a garbage bag, guys. Look.
Don't forget the ones in the
Yeah, I have some in the garage too. I have like all her containers, and every time I go to her house, she's
Where the container them there? And yeah, we have more containers, guys.
I'm keeping some because
Yeah.
I need some.
Guys, look at this beautiful oxtail my mother made. It looks so concoctious.
That's not a word.
Stop hating. Okay, but back. I'll check with you guys after I done clops this down. Okay, I'm gonna clops it away. Okay. And yeah, I'm gonna show you what mommy bought for Chasey too. Look at Chase getting all these clothes. Look at this. Nana set him up wickedly. Look at this. Wow. All toys. Look at that. Where the shoes there? Up top. Look there. Yeah man. Them we call the tramples. You trample them. Any bad mind, him just step on them. Look what my mother buy me. This was actually for my birthday gift. I actually love it, yo. My mother don't want to come on the vlog because she said she want dirty clothes. What were you cooking? But I want to say thank you for my gift. My gift. Guys, I like to annoy her if you can tell. Yeah, you're chasing in the background. Moi, thank you for my gift. So walk one subbies.
Walk one subbies.
Alright. Alright, catch us over at back our whole house. Okay? Right? Moi, take them out. Just go so. You go somewhere. Go like that.
Huh?
Just go like that. Like you're about to touch the camera.
Peace out.
No, no. Take the camera and go so. You're back home.
We're back, we're back.
As you can see, let me see.
It's still there.
It's
oh my
still
god,
there.
it's worse.
Yeah, it's gotten a little bit more bigger. If anything, we're gonna have to. Well, we're going to the doctor tomorrow, so we're gonna find out what's wrong with it. I think it's just dirty, guys. Or maybe she has pink eye.
Don't say that.
Maybe I've got to put some urine in there. I know one of the remedies them say you must put the urine in your eye.
I've never heard that before.
Yes, it is.
Nobody
It's
says
something
that.
that is true. Okay.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
No.
Yes, it is.
Guys, I don't know because it's
Look at
hard. I hope it's not like this the sty.
It's thigh. No, I don't think so. Thigh comes at the top.
It can go at the bottom too.
Yeah, that is true. That is true. But man, I remember them being mostly at the top.
But normally it starts like this and then you see it at one end.
Yeah, but it's puffy. I just feel like it's more like a you,
So
you
why
have dirt
don't
in
go
the eye.
down yet?
It's soon go down, man. G, just go on, Bill. G, go on, Bill. Go on, Bill. Go on, Bill. Go on, Bill.
Hates you.
You know, you gotta be confident, okay? In life, you're gonna have challenges. You just have to overcome it. And one of the challenges is not getting a sty in your eye. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Yeah, I mean, drop some prayers for Danielle's eye. Hopefully, she don't get no sty or she doesn't have pink eye.
It's not pink eye. Pink eye would be pink.
Cause you know she's gonna have to put some urine in her eye to clear it.
Guys, ignore him. Ignore him.
As you can see, there's no chasing because he's upstairs sleeping right now.
out.
He's knocked out. Before we go, I just want to say, go and subscribe to Danielle's channel. She posted 2 videos, guys. Go and subscribe to her channel. It's linked down below. And yeah, if you guys into gamings and stuff like that, like Fortnite,
Oh.
go ahead and subscribe to my gaming channel as well. And yeah, enjoy some our mean times, you know.
Yeah.
It's like me times.
Our alone times.
Our alone times, and you can enjoy it, okay? Thank you guys for your love and support. We can't say this enough, and we are going to do notification shout out time. First notification shout out goes to
Alicia Stanford.
big up your damn self. You're gonna go right over Daniel's head top right here. The second notification shout out goes to
That girl princess.
big up your damn self. You're gonna go right here. And the third and final notification shout out goes to
Sash and Gem.
big up your damn self. You're gonna go right over Daniel's head top right here. Thank you guys for your love and support. If you want to be a part of the notification gang, notification squad, notification notification boom bam bang, notification notification save Daniel's eye.
Yeah.
Comment down below right now, guys.
Hopefully I wake up tomorrow and my eye's good as new.
Well, you guys will see because we'll be vlogging tomorrow as well. So if you guys love us, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't been a part of the family, and also comment down below, notification again.
Notification help Danielle.
Alright guys, love you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and more videos coming for you guys soon. Okay, love you guys, peace.